Here are 5 ways to make money online in South Africa, along with examples. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelance platforms. Examples include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can provide services like graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies. Companies like Toluna, SurveySavvy, and Valued Opinions offer opportunities to earn money by sharing your opinions. E-commerce. Start an online store or sell products on platforms like eBay, Gumtree, or OLX. You can sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or dropship products. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media and earn a commission for every sale. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon Associates, Take a Lot Affiliate, or Share a Sale. Online tutoring. Offer your expertise in a subject and teach others online. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or even one-on-one tutoring through Skype can be lucrative. Remember that success in these online ventures often requires dedication, skill development, and consistent effort. It's important to research each option thoroughly and choose one that aligns with your skills and interests.